Yeah, if you're looking at adding some lighting around your house, our designers are really good at working with you on some different aspects and of lighting. We've got some great techniques that we've used, that we've learned over the years. We've got an option where we can get up on the soffit, do some down lighting from the soffit down on the house. We can do some up lighting on the house. We can do some up lighting on trees. We've got color changing options that have different themes. So if you want to run like a 4th of July pattern, we can turn everything to red, white, and blue. If you got your favorite football team, baseball team, say you're like the Royals or you like the Chiefs, we can actually adjust all your lights. So if they're playing, those will pop on and everything will be color coordinated to your favorite team. We've got some good flood options, but when we're working through those design details with you, our designers will actually kind of show you in 3D what it'll look like, so that we'll build the actual model of whatever it is that we're lighting up for you. Maybe it's your house, maybe it's your pool house, your outdoor deck. We do a lot of lighting on our decks. Plant material, trees. We like getting up in trees if we can, and doing some down lighting. That's gives a pretty good look, overall look that you're trying to achieve. Designers walk through those details with you. They can show you what it's going to look like in 3D, so you kind of can start conceptually seeing what it's going to look like when it's finished. So when we're helping you design your outdoor lighting project, we'll be basically kind of walking through some questions with you on what your expectation levels are. What we're seeing from most clients is we run, at least on our softer lighting, it's 2700K is the lighting temperature that we try to push first. I would say 99% of the time that's what we roll with to softer light. We don't get into too many motion sensors with low voltage lighting. They're dusk to dawn. We have a dusk to dawn format that we put into the transformer. And so it basically changes with daylight saving time. You don't have to worry about it. All the lights are LED, low voltage. So most of our clients we plug in the transformer, set it to dusk to dawn, and they come on at night and they turn off in the morning. And we just run those every day. Now, if you want to put a switch on it and actually turn the transformer off that we have in there, we can put a switch on it. If you want to control the lighting, we can do zones. If you want to zone out and say, all right, I want this on, I want to light this area up every day, but I want to light this area up when I'm entertaining. So we can put your lighting on zones. So yeah, there's a multitude of different options we have for you. And through our design process, we help guide you through those details to make sure you're making the right decision for your outdoor lighting project.